Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Firefox tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to set an individual Firefox homepage. This is actually quite simple. First I open Firefox and here I see the Firefox homepage by default. Now we want to change that. I go to the three bars on the top right, click on Options and switch to the Home tab. Here I change the homepage and new Windows drop-down menu from Firefox Home to Custom URLs, and for this example I will use Google. So I insert google.com and press Enter. At this button I see that my setting was taken over because with this we could restore the default settings. And with that we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.